And there is problem. It's taking time. Huh? Recording started. Okay, recording started now. Now, this is the final tree diagram. Those who haven't understood, please pay attention now. We have got this final tree diagram. We have seen in the adaptive Huffman coding, the first thing is to update the tree. Second thing today we are going to see, and if time permits, we'll see the third. The first one is update tree. The second one is to encode the message, and the third one is to decode the received message. Okay. So updation of the tree, we have reached to the final tree. Those who are absent, those who haven't understood this, I will just revise what we have done. We have got this message which we have to encode, that is AARDVARK. So this was the message. Through this message, we have to update the tree. So what we have done, already I have given you the understanding of each and every aspect, that in this updation, we have to see that the message which we have got and how do you develop the tree. So it was like we have to start with NYT. I have told you the values and the weight, and how do you calculate the initial weight. Okay, so that is 2n minus 1. So 2 into 26 minus 1, 26 is the total number of alphabets, so it comes to be 51. So we have started with the NYT. Okay, the NYT with the weight of 51 and the initial value 0. I have told you that we will be drawing the rectangle or the square as far as the external nodes are concerned, and we'll be drawing the circle as far as the internal nodes are concerned. Okay. So किसका तो भी माइक ये चालू है. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself, everyone. So we have this square or rectangle for external node, and for internal nodes we'll be drawing the circle. Okay. Now with this we have started. Please mute yourself. किसी का तो अभी माइक चालू है. Yes, thank you. D14A में तो नहीं है कोई. Okay, ठीक है. Now it's okay. It's fine now. So I was talking about the nodes. So with these nodes, we have gradually developed we have started with the NYT that is not yet transmitted, and it will be always taken as 0, and always the left child will be added to the root. Whenever you have the new entry, that will be added to the root. Okay. Now with that, we have started with NYT with the value of 0 and the weight is 51. Okay, and we have seen whether the occurrence of the entry is for the first time or the second time, and depending upon that we were adding the child. Okay, left child and right child. So the left child is always added to the NYT or the internal node, and always NYT will be at the external node side. It will be always to the external node side. So gradually we have started with AARDVARK. We have reached to this last K, but before that even I have told you, you have to cross check something. What you have to cross check? That the number which is on the left hand side should be always less as compared to the right hand side. Okay, so अगर यहाँ पे 3 रहता था, यहाँ पे 2 रहता था, तो I have to swap. तो मैंने बताया था कि when you are going from one tree to the other tree, you have to just show by this arrow, and whenever you are doing swapping, you can directly show this, or you can show by such type of arrow. Okay, so that means you are swapping. Okay, so always take care while building the tree, and when you are updating the tree, you have to see only one particular branch. इसका मतलब है अगर यहाँ पे 5 रहता था, यहाँ पे 3 रहता था, और यहाँ पे 3 रहता था और यहाँ पे 2 रहता था, so both of this swapping would not be done at the same time. You have to start from the bottom, searching for such type of the lower value on the left hand side and the bigger value on the right hand side from the bottom. And whenever you encounter such such numbers where the left hand side is greater, then you have to do for swapping for that particular row only. Then again start from the bottom. So gradually. So ultimately, the thing is that the lower left hand side should be always lower as compared to the right hand side. And while giving the weights, the weight should be also on the left hand side should be less as compared to the right hand side. The value should be less as compared to the right hand side. So if I'm seeing at the bottom, we'll cross check. 0 less than 1, okay. 1 equals to 1, okay. मैंने बताया था it should be less or equal to. So 1 is equal to 1, it's okay. 1 is less than 2, it's okay. 2 is less than 3, it's okay. 3 less than 5, it's okay. Okay. Then 44 less than 45, so it's 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 47, 48. So it is, यहाँ पे गलती हो गया, 46, 47, 40, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Please make this correction. 48, 49. Then this becomes 50. No, again there is wrong, because the last uppermost, this is a root. The root should be always 51. So you can start from this upper root. So it is 51, then 50, 49, then this comes, this is 49, 50, then 47, 48, okay, then this comes 45, 46, then this will be 44, 45, and this will be 42 and 43. Yes, 42, 43, 44, 45, 40. हाँ, यहाँ पे 46. नहीं, यहाँ पे गलत
सर वहाँ पे 50 का 48, 49 आना चाहिए ना.
कहाँ पे?
सर वो 50 का इंटरनल नोड है 5 और उसके नीचे वो जो एक्सटर्नल नोड है 2.
नहीं, यहाँ पे देखो मैं बताता हूँ. दिस इज अ रूट 51, देन 49, 50 यहाँ पे बराबर है, देन 47, 48, this is also right, then 45, 46, this is also right, then 45, 46, then this is 43 and 44. And then 41 and 42. Now please check now. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 and 51. Now it is right? Yes or no? I'm talking about the weights now.
Yes, sir.
मैं बताता हूँ. Always your root will be having the weight as 51. How do you get this 51? I have told you the initial weight is 51. How do you get this 51? That is 2 into n in bracket minus 1. So what is n? Value of n? N is the total number of alphabets. So total number of alphabets are 26. So 2 into 26 minus 1. So it comes to be 52 minus 1. And the final answer is 51. So always the root, because this is a root. And these are the nodes shown by the square or rectangle. So while giving the weights, you better start from the root and always see that the left weight should be less than the right weight. So if I'm starting with 51, this is always 51 will be always the root value, the initial weight value, then 51, then 49, 50, then 47, 48, then 45, 46, 43, 44, 41, 42. Or else you can start from the bottom, but see that you should finally reach to 51. So 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So this is right. Okay. So we have cross-checked and we have found that everything is correct now. Now with this particular tree diagram, we will be encoding now. We will be encoding. Okay. So we have, yes, any problem? नहीं नहीं यहाँ पे कैसे किया था मैंने, ये देखो 51 था तो 49 50 51, ओके। और बाद में ये रो होने के बाद इसके नीचे वाला रो, अभी यहाँ पे we have already taken 49 50, then it will be 47 48, it will be 47 48. No, that is also fine. There is no problem, this is also right. But the thing is that always see that the total the numbers which you are giving now, so that should be for every nodes. Internal node रहने दो या external node, okay, there should be unique weight, there should be unique weight, okay. And you have to take care that left weight should be always less as compared to the right hand side. So if you check, everything is fine now. As per the weight, it is fine. As per the numbers written on the external or internal nodes, they also they are also getting satisfied because their left side is less as compared to the right hand side. So this is the final updated tree. जिसको ये नहीं मिला, please draw this so that we can proceed further. So the first step is completed, that is updation of the tree. We are going to the next, that is encoding the tree, encoding the message. We'll go with the encoding of the message. Okay, encoding of the message. I'm going to rub this. जिन लोगों को नहीं मिला, जिन लोगों ने नहीं किया, please draw the final tree diagram so that we can proceed further. हाँ, इसलिए मैं बताया था कि जब इंटरमीडिएट हम ट्री बनाते हैं ना, तब आप लोग वेट मत दो, पहले स्वैपिंग सब करके देखो, सब होने दो लास्ट में, और लास्ट में फिर वेट दो, वो ठीक रहेगा, दैट वुड बी फाइन. इसलिए मैंने लास्ट में ट्री बना दिया और फिर मैंने 51 से स्टार्ट किया, 51 ये सब करते गए. अदरवाइज इफ यू डोंट वांट इन सच मैनर, every time when you are updating the tree, every time mention the weight, and in the swapping process also you change the weight, that will also do, that there is no harm, that is also fine. I'm repeating again, while updating the tree also mention the weight numbers, and during swapping also you swap the weight numbers, that is also fine. Otherwise intermediate updation में weight को मत लिखो, directly final updation tree में you start from 51 and accordingly give the weight numbers. Is it fine? Yes. Now I think I would be able to complete encoding only. So बाकी का decoding है, that thing I think I have to take next time. So we'll do for the encoding. If this is fine to you, we'll do with the encoding now. And there is a steps. I want everyone to write the steps along with me, so that after writing the steps, or you can say that is an algorithm, we will get the encoding message for AARDVARK. Okay, so I'm going to rub this tree now. And this is a message, so we'll see afterwards the message. So write down the steps for encoding. Write down encoding and write down the steps. I'm going to dictate, you please write it down. Encoding step number 1, read the message sequence. Read the message sequence from first to last. Read the message sequence from first to last. First to last. Okay. Second one, if the symbol has come for the first time, we are writing down the second one. If the symbol has come for the first time, if the symbol has come for the first time, then send code for NYT. Then send code for NYT, followed by fixed code, or fixed code को underline करो, and please underline the fixed code, because fixed code के लिए भी we need to write down the steps. Okay, so this is number 2. While writing down, please pay attention what you are writing. Okay, because each and everything I'll be explaining, but while writing it down, pay attention what we are writing down. Okay, go to the step number 3. Now this is happening for the, if the symbol has come for the first time, what will happen if the symbol is coming for the second time? So for that third step, write down, if the symbol has not come for the first time, if the symbol has not come for the first time, then send code for that particular symbol, for that particular symbol. Okay, so this is happening if the symbol is coming for the second or third time other than first time. Okay, write on point number 4, step number 4. Continue updation of the tree, accordingly, for all the symbols, continue the updation of the tree accordingly for all the symbols. So this is point number 4. Point number 5, just give the small heading as fixed code. Now how do you calculate the fixed code? Fifth point or the fifth step is to find the, you have written the small heading as a fixed code. How do you calculate the fixed code? Right, please write it down in the same step number 5 and pay attention. How do you calculate the fixed code? The fixed code is calculated, or bracket में लिखो, fixed code for E and R. We have to calculate the fixed code that is for E and R. How do you get the value of E? How do you get the value of R? Okay, so for that, in the same step, small m is equals to 2 to the power of E plus R. Small m is equals to 2 to the power of E plus R, comma, where 0 lies in between, or 0 less than or equal to R less than equal to 2 to the power of E. M is equals to 2 to the power of E plus R, comma, where R lies in between 0 and 2 to the power of E. For M is equals to 26. 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 So to satisfy this condition, after taking M is equals to 26, we get E is equals to 4 and R is equals to 10. Keep into the box. So always take the value of E is equals to 4 and R is equals to 10. तो मैंने आपको directly E 4 assume करने को नहीं कहा, मैंने आपको R is equals to 10 assume करने को नहीं कहा. I have told you that how do you get value of E and how do you get the value of R. It depends upon the equation, that is M is equals to the power of E plus R, where R should lie between 0 and 2 to the power of E, and for M is equals to 26. 26 का है because total alphabets. Okay, so for M is equals to 26, we'll get E is equals to 4 and R is equals to 10. You can cross check with this. Okay, by taking the value of E is equals to 4 and R is equals to 10. Continue further. This was your point number 5 or step number 5. We'll go to the next point number 6. Point number 6.
सर E और R मतलब क्या है सर?
वो आगे पता चलेगा E और R क्या है. हम कोडिंग में जब कोडिंग के लिए हमको E और R लगने वाला है. In that case we'll understand what is E and what is R. Okay.
Okay sir.
हाँ. Now for point number 6, please write down. Point number 6, please write down. symbols, please pay attention what you are writing. Symbols A to Z, symbols A to Z are encoded as, symbols A to Z are encoded as. अब इसमें लिखना है स्मॉल a, इसमें मुझे दो पार्ट लिखना है a और b. ओके, इसमें मुझे दो पार्ट लिखना है a और b. a में क्या लिख रहा हूं? if k is less than or equal to 2r, if k lies between 1 and 2 into r, then e plus 1 bits, are used. You will understand everything. You please write it down. You will understand everything. Then e plus 1 bits are used to represent, k minus 1, See here, if the value of k, what is k, we'll see. Okay, if the value of k is in between 1 and 2 into r, in that case e plus 1 bits are used to represent k minus 1, So what is k? Okay, and e plus 1 bits are used to represent this thing. We'll see. This is for a part, which is there in the step number 6. There is a b part. Write down the b part. There is a b part. If the value of k is greater than 2r, अगर k की वैल्यू 1 और 2 into r के बीच में रहेंगी तो ये करना है. अगर k की वैल्यू greater than 2r है, then write down, then e bits are used to represent k minus r minus 1. K, I want everyone to underline k minus 1 and underline k minus r minus 1. These are the minor things. Sometimes you may overlook because of your negligence. You may get the wrong answer. Okay, so that's why remember, if k value is greater than 2r, e bits are used to represent k minus r minus 1, and if it is less than 2r, in between 1 and 2r, then e plus 1 bits are used to represent k minus 1. So you have underlined k minus 1 and k minus r minus 1. So this thing we'll see when I will be taking the encoding of that particular message. Okay, so this was for step number 6. But do one thing, इसी में एक काम करेंगे where you write down what is k, where write in the inverted commas, where k is the respective alphabet, numbers, from a to z, where k is the respective alphabet numbers from a to z. इसका मतलब ये होता है k will be 1 for a, k will be 2 for b, k will be 3 for c, k will be 4 for d, ... k will be 26 for z, k will be 25 for y, k will be 25 for x. That is the meaning of k. Okay, so these are the steps. Now we'll take the same example for encoding. Shall I rub this part now? So we will start now. Again, the message was given as A R D V A R K. A R D V A R K. This was the message. We have got the final tree diagram. Using the message and the final tree diagram, we are going to encode each and every symbol. Okay. Now we'll start. We will start now. So please see the step number 1. Now read the message sequence from first to last. So we'll start from A now. We will start from A. Okay. You have to go one by one, one by one. We'll start from one. We'll start from A. Okay. The second is, if the symbol has come for the first time, then send code for NYT followed by a fixed code. Now tell me whether A has come for the first time. Yes, it has come for the first time. This A has come for the second time. So for this A, which has come for the first time, what we have to do? We have to send the code for NYT. We have to send the code for NYT. We have to send the code for NYT. बराबर है? We have to send the code for NYT. What was the code for NYT? See the tree diagram now. All of you see the tree diagram. In the tree diagram, for the tree diagram, when you go from the root towards where? NYT. So initial NYT is always taken as 0. Initial NYT was taken as 0. So as per the second step, if the symbol has come for the first time, then send code for NYT followed by fixed code. Followed by fixed code. Okay. Now, as far as the NYT is concerned, the first NYT is taken as 0. So for this A, the NYT will be taken as 0. Followed by fixed code. Now we'll go with the fixed code now. We will go for the fixed code. Okay. Now for fixed code calculation, you know the value of E. I'm writing down here. E is 4 and R is equals to 10. E is 4 and R is equals to 10. Okay. Then we have to see the value of K now. Now as far as A is concerned, what is the value of K? For the value of K, you can just write down here also. You can write down here also. I will write down here. This is AA. The message given is AA R D V A R K. So this was the message. So for this particular first occurrence of symbol, that is K is equals to 1. I have told you it is a alphabet number from the for the alphabets from A to Z. I have told you for A, K value is 1. For B, the K value is 2. For B, the K value is 2. Okay. So for K is equals to 1. Now we have to see whether this will fall in K value is less than, it will fall in 1 or equal to K, less than 2R. Yes, it will fall into the A category. That is, if 1 less than equal to K, less than equal to 2R. So for this A, you know that the value of K falls between 1 and 2R. 1 and 2R. Okay. So if it falls into 1 and 2R, then E plus 1 bits are used to represent K minus 1. E plus 1 bits are used to represent K minus 1. So tell me, for this K is equals to 1. What is K minus 1? It will be 0. So to represent this 0, how many bits I require? I require E plus 1 bits. What is the value of E? 4. E plus 1 becomes 5. So to represent 0, you require 5 bits. So can I say it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Can I say it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So when you will be talking about the first, and if it has come for the first time, then you have to send the code for NYT, okay, followed by 6 code. So it will be 0 followed by 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is the first code for A. This is the first code for A. We'll go with the second code. We will go with the second code. Okay. Now again see the steps. We'll go with the step number 2. If the symbol has come for the first time, no, it has not come for the first time now. I'm talking about this A. It has not come for the first time. Okay. It has come for the second time. Okay. So go with the step number 3. If the symbol has not come for the first time, then send code for that particular symbol. Okay. Now you have to see the tree diagram now. So when you see the tree diagram, your A has come. Can you get that code? That is A.
सर समझ नहीं
मैं बता रहा हूँ. When you see the tree diagram, okay, you have written first A. First A के लिए we have encoded. Now we are going for the second A. Can any one of you tell me the code for that particular second A by seeing the tree diagram? It is appearing on the right hand side. मैंने बताया था कि how do you get the code? Whenever you go to the left, it is 0. Whenever you go to the right, it is 1. For example, if you are starting from here, okay, and if I suppose here I'm having B and here I'm having suppose A. If I want the code for A, I will say it is you are going from the root, so I will say it is A is equals to 0. If I ask you to get me the code for B, again you will start from the root, you will go to the B. So while traveling, you will come across 1, 0. So for B, the code is 1, 0. Similarly, by looking at the final tree diagram, I'm asking you, tell me the code for second A.
Sir, 110.
1,
110.
No. You see the tree diagram properly?
Sir, 1.
It is 1. In your tree diagram, if you see your second letter A, then that second letter, the code is 1. The second letter code is 1. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बाकी लोग, do you agree with this? For second letter A, the code is 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now for the second letter, which has come for the second time, I do not require to mention the value of K here because it has come for the second time. So यहाँ पे कुछ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, but then also if you want, you can just write down K, value of K is equals to 1 for this A, alphabet A. So for this A, the code will be 1. Okay. Now we'll go to the next one now. R. We'll go to the next one, that is R. Now for this R,
1.
for this R, wait. For this R, we will again check with the steps. Whether this R has come for the first time? Yes. Now if it has come for the first time, then we have to send the code for NYT, and the code for the NYT is again 0. Ye 0, that is the code for NYT. This 0 is the code for the NYT, followed by the respective code for R. Now, how do you get the value of R? How do you get the value of R? Second step में क्या दिया था? If the symbol has come for the first time, then send code for NYT followed by the fixed code. Now fixed code again we have to calculate. Now fixed code for R I am talking about. Fixed code for R. Okay. Now here tell me the value of K first. सबसे पहले मुझे बताओ K की value क्या है? Any one of you?
Sir, 17.
Yes, you are
17.
right. It's 17 or 18?
Sorry sir, 18. वो 0
Yes.
0 से मैंने सोचा था तो
हाँ. So the value for K is equals to 18 for this symbol R. Symbol has come for the first time. So step number second. So I am sending the code for NYT followed by the fixed code. To get the fixed code, first I should know what is the value of K. You have got the value of K is equals to 18. Now you have to see whether this will fall, this will come under which small a or b category. Okay. Now when K is equals to 18, what is 2R? 2 into R. 2 into R is how much? 20. So can I say this will come into the category of less than equal to 2R? 1 less than equal to K की value is 18, less than equal to 2 into R की value is 10. So 2 into 10 is 20. Yes. So this is satisfied. So what I have to send? I have to send E plus 1 bits are used to represent K minus 1. What is K minus 1?
17.
Yes. How do you represent the 17? In how many bits? E plus 1. E plus 1 is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. I want to represent this in 5 bits. So how do you represent 17? 1 0 0 0 1. So 1 2 4 8 16. 16 plus 1 17. Yes, this is right. So can I say the code for R is 0 1 0 0 0 1? Do you agree with this? So it is 0 1 0 0 0 1.
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Yes. Before I end, we will do for D, and the rest of the thing will continue in the next session. Okay. So before I wind up, we'll do for the D also. So अब तक मैंने A के लिए किया, मैंने ये सेकंड A के लिए किया, मैंने ये R के लिए किया, अभी मैं D के लिए कर रहा हूँ. Okay. So we'll go for the D. Whether D has come for the first time? Yes, it has come for the first time. So what I have to send? I have to send NYT. I have to send the NYT. Okay. Now to send this NYT, okay, which has come for the first time, okay, you have to see that I am sending 0. Now for this D, what is the value of K?
4.
It is D 4. Sorry. This is AAR. What is the value of D? K value? 4.
Okay.
With this 4, it comes to in this particular range. When it comes into the particular
Sir?
range, I have.
Yes sir.
Shobit sir?
Sir,
I have taken the attendance.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
हाँ.
Okay. So for this value of D, it is 4. A, B, C, D. So K value is 4. It falls into this particular range. Okay. Then I have to represent K minus 1. That is 3. K minus 1 is 3. So how do you represent 3 in E plus 1 bits? E is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So how do you represent this 3 in 5 bits?
0
It is
0 0 1 1.
0 0 0 1 1. So 1 2 4 8 16. So 1 2. Am I right? So it is 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. So it is 0 0 0 1 1. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes
So
sir.
same thing we have to do for VARK. Okay. But I don't do as a homework. don't do this as a homework. Okay, we will see in the class how do you go from this. Okay, because see, sometimes you may fall into trouble. How do you get the value of NYT code? Okay, because for this D, we have got this 0, but actually it is 0 0. So this thing I will explain you in the next session, because it will take some time to explain you. Here for D I am taking only 0, but for NYT I should take 0 0. How I should take 2 zeros here for NYT? This thing we will see in the next session. Okay. So till this, if you have any question, you can ask me. Okay. Parmeshwari madam has taken the attendance. What about D14B? Priyanka ma'am has taken the attendance. Actually, she is not there. Okay. Okay. Pranav or Muskan, any one of you please take the attendance, manual attendance. And those you have, Acha, ho gaya, everything is completed. Okay. So if you don't have any questions, any doubt, you can leave. Thank you. We'll see in the next lesson. Now in the next class, I'll be talking about encoding the remaining symbols, as well as how do you decode. How do you decode? It's a lengthy process. Okay. So we'll see in the next session. Thank you. Any questions?
Thank you,
please
sir.
ask. Yes.
सर वो ट्री से पाथ कब फॉलो करना है और कब ऐसा उसके लिए जो कोड है उसको बाइनरी में लिखना है सर? जैसे ये सेकंड वाला जो ए है उसके लिए हमने ट्री का पाथ फॉलो किया.
नहीं, जो थर्ड वाला जो है ना, if the symbol has not come for the first time, then send code for that particular symbol. यहाँ पे फिक्स कोड की बात किया है क्या? मैंने नहीं किया है, पर्टिकुलर सिंबल की बात किया है. इन दैट केस यू हैव टू रेफर द ट्री. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द थर्ड स्टेप. In the third step, nowhere I have talked about the fixed code, so no calculations are required. If the symbol has come for the second time, directly you can write down the code, respective code for that symbol by using the tree diagram, जो मैंने यहाँ पे बताया. How do you get the symbols?
सर मतलब अभी इसमें V के बाद वापस A आ रहा है, तो फिर उसके लिए हम वापस ट्री डायग्राम लेंगे.
Yes, yes, yes. इसके लिए कोड, इसके लिए ट्री डायग्राम. ये फिर से आया है, इसके लिए ट्री डायग्राम. पहले के लिए फिक्स कोड, सेकेंड के लिए ट्री डायग्राम, और ये थर्ड के लिए भी ट्री डायग्राम. यस, यू आर राइट.
ओके सर.
यस, एनी मोर क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
Okay. The remaining part we will see in the next session. ये भी बाकी मैं करके दिखाऊंगा, so that it will be more clear.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
सर.
हाँ, बोलो बोलो.
सर मुझे टैजम का एक क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ हाँ, बोलो.
सर टैजम में मैं जब भी F9